rice pudding. And it's my great-great-grandma's recipe. And this is for my grandma to be happy when she comes home from the hospital. So let's get started. Okay guys, so our great-great-grandma's recipe, we're gonna have to be using condensed milk, and it's supposed to be 14 ounces, but this is 4 ounces, so that's basically half. So we're gonna be doing a half a batch. So first we want to take the rice and we'll make it and pour it in there with some water. And salt. And bring it to boil and simmer until it's soft. Okay guys, so it's really easy at recipe. After your rice is done cooking for about like 6 minutes, you're going to want to add some sweetened condensed milk, some raisins. We ran out of black raisins, so that's why we had to use golden raisins, and some egg. We're going to use the just egg. And then we usually like to do almonds, but Grandma can't have almonds yet, so we're not going to do almonds yet. Okay guys, so this is our first time doing a recipe because we never found like a non-dairy or vegan condensed milk. So if you like in our used recipes, we use like just milk. But since now we have it, we're gonna do it. But also you could do like, if you want to be sweetened, you could do like milk and sugar mixed together. We'll show you next time. Sorry about all the noise. My grandpa's putting the new floors up the stairs. Hey Grandpa, stop! We're doing a ButterBeanz.
That's very loud.
Yeah, it's very loud. After add all your stuff, you're going to cook it for about 6 minutes, so that it looks like a custard, like pudding, right? Okay, once it's all done, you're going to want to take your rice off the stove, and you're going to want to add your vanilla extract and nutmeg. Okay guys, now that's all cooked and stored, and now we're going to eat it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Yeah. Good.